Hey guys, I want to see how we can sum unique values with Excel or Google Sheet. Now we need to open another sheet and do the operation. This plus button, I will click on this plus button on the bottom right. Okay, it's called sheet 3. You can rename the sheet, rename, or you can leave it as sheet 3. So name cost, or let's say total cost. Yam, beans, yam, rice, okay, gari, yam, bread, beans, yam, rice. Total cost. Okay, now what we want to do now, we want to get the summation of each of the items. Yam, beans, gari. For example, now we have yam here, yam, and the other one under A9. So which is 100 plus 130 plus 300. So we want to sum all the ones for yam, all the total cost for beans, just like that. What we need to do first is to get the unique values. So let's write name again and get the unique value. Please, you go and watch my video on how to get the unique, um, how to list the name of item without repeating any. So I want to list A2 down the list, the name of the item, and we don't want to repeat any of them. Equals unique A2 to write A100, or let's use A20. All right, we have 5 items. Total cost, or let's say, okay, total cost. Now I want to sum all the yam sales, or all the yam costs, all the beans costs, all the gari costs, the rice costs, and the bread cost. Say equal to sum. Now the sum is not just a single cost, a single sum. It is a conditional sum. We want to sum the total cost of yam. Now, we want to sum the total cost if the value under C2 is yam. And it is true that the value here is yam. How do we do it? We add if to it, sum if. So sum if The range, what range? The range is C2, okay, sorry, is A2 to A20. All right, that is the range. The criterion is C2. That is what we are looking for. We are looking for the sum of yam. So, and it is under C2. Now, C2 should be the criterion because that's what we are looking for. The sum range is total cost, which is B2 to B20. Enter. Total cost of yam is 530. Now what we do right here is we are not summing for only yam. Instead, we are summing for all the items, the total cost of all the items. We need now to click and drag. Okay, click on the highlighted item. Oh, sorry. Click and drag. Okay, autofill. Perfect. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and please do follow up our video, subscribe, and receive more video. You can also click on the notification bar so that any video we uploaded will pop up on your screen and you can easily navigate through and watch it. Thank you very much.